Welcome back to another Means Woodshop follow-up.
Not a follow-up.
Not a follow-up!
Welcome to Means Woodshop. Today, Adam, we're going to be doing an experiment.
Experiments for science.
Yes. I've seen some other woodworkers do this before.
Ooh.
Testing like household alternatives.
Stealing content.
To traditional wood stain. No, this will be original. As far as I know, none of these things have been tested. I could be wrong. We're not just doing stain either. There's some things we're going to see that if it can be applied similarly to a wax or oil finish as well. Is we're going to be testing Louisiana hot sauce, chili powder,
The world's smallest wrinkly orange.
tangerine.
Is that a tangerine or a tangelo?
It's a tanger something.
It's kind of old, it's retired, and we're going to put it out of its misery.
Flamin' hot Cheetos.
Flamin' hot Cheeto!
And some lip balm.
Lip balm.
And we have a control piece, too, that we can reference to see if there's any difference at all that's been made. Let's start with that Louisiana.
All right, cool.
So the Louisiana's on your side. I think you're going to do that.
Awesome.
You can get you a paper towel there, Adam.
Okay, and I just sort of like dab it on the paper towel and then dab it on
Or you could put a few drops on the wood itself.
Dude, our fingers are going to be so smelly after this.
It's going to be good. Now, this stuff stains mashed taters
Whoa!
pretty good. Oh, God.
What the hell? What is wrong with your Louisiana hot sauce? It's supposed to just come out in a little drip.
Dude, it did not come out in a little drip.
What the
That was not a little drip.
That was way too much. Holy shit.
I mean, the paper towel gets some of it. Maybe get another paper towel on standby.
Hurry up. Yeah, because I don't want to get it on our new follow-up table.
All right, rub it in there,
I'm
pal.
rubbing it in. I'm
Just
putting
like a stain, you know.
putting the lotion on the skin.
Ugh.
Oh, dude, that's not...
It's not staining?
Doesn't look like
It
it.
stains taters real good.
There's a lot of excess on this one. There's little bits, dude. Oh, it's smelly, dude.
I see a visible difference on there.
I mean, it's like Donald Trump orange.
Well, I do see a difference on the surface. What is that weird? Yeah, there's little giblets on there.
I mean, Louisiana has giblets. One drop does it.
Well, so the next thing, I think I have higher hopes for this than the Louisiana.
Yeah.
Chili powder. I keep wanting to say curry powder, but I know it's chili powder. Since that's a powder, we're going to apply some mineral oil to it. Maybe that'll be good, because it's going to mix in there.
Yeah, no. Hand me that mineral oil, bud. Yeah, that's paste, bro. Boop, 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 boop.
And one thing I would like to know while he's stirring that is traditionally with commercial stains, and I would imagine with this as well, you'll still probably want to put a clear top coat on it for protection, because stains don't provide protection, they just color the wood.
Alright, so that's...
I'm probably going to finish all of these with lacquer after we're done. And
Yeah.
I'll do that on my own time.
That's oil. I don't think we're really going to get any dissolution.
Ugh.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, nasty.
So gritty, dude. Maybe you should wipe with the grain, come off easier. I don't want to put my fingers in it.
I can't tell if I'm seeing a visible color difference or if it just looks darker because it's wet.
It's a good question. It's hard to get all this shit off, man. It's just like...
Alright, it looks like maybe something happened. So
oh, man.
for
yeah.
this next one. Alright.
I'm going to go out on a limb here and guess that the Flaming Hot Cheetos is going to do the best.
So this one isn't a stain. You could buy orange oil and like beeswax together. So I'm wondering, can you just take it straight from the orange and have like a similar orange oil finish?
I don't know. I think in order to get the orange oil out, you have to find the orange's udder.
I could use the orange itself as the applicator.
Here, you want a backdrop, bud? There you go.
Yeah.
That one is going on the best so far.
Yeah, we're getting some pulp on there. I don't know how people feel about pulp, but now with the orange oil that I've used, you usually want to let it sit for a little bit, but it's got a little bit of wax in it too.
I mean, I would wager that orange oil is just different than just squeezing the fucking whole last orange.
Orange juice.
Literal orange juice.
It doesn't look as pretty as some oil finishes that I'm accustomed to. Okay, well, now that I wiped it off, it kind of looks like a natural, clear coat. Now this one I'm excited about.
It's gonna be the star of the show. I can tell.
I hope so. Ooh.
I don't know. You may have to smear it in pretty hard.
Oh man, I don't know about the flaming hot, dude.
I
think it's leaving scratch marks on here.
I like how our reaction to all of them, even though there's regular ass food stuff, is like fucking gross. That one looks like it's stained the hardest, though.
Are you sure?
Look
Maybe
at all the rest
Louisiana stained the hardest. I'm afraid it's not looking good for flaming hot.
Not really looking that great for any of them, if I'm honest.
Okay, and last we've got lip balm.
Good old Chapstick.
Look, and that, if this one works, it's a handy applicator too, and this will be another case of it's not a stain, but we'll see if we could provide like a
gloss?
clear, waxy protective layer.
No, that's going on pretty easy. Yeah.
Rub it in with your finger, and then after you've rubbed it into the grain, we'll wipe it off. Just work it into the grain.
Oh, this is fun. And it smells good. Holy shit. This is my favorite one so far.
You think it smells better than a tangerine?
I don't know about that. Give me that. Give me that.
All you gotta do...
Taper Pal.
Buff it out. Get off the excess, buff it out. So we've applied all of them. I don't know, man. I think Louisiana had the most drastic difference.
I mean, it's between Louisiana and Flamin' Hot Cheetos, but a lot of that is you just like rubbing an actual Cheeto into it like a crayon.
I can see a visible difference with the chili powder. This one's looking a little splotchy, but I think it might have had the biggest color difference. Now that's the lip balm. Actually, that feels the nicest.
I mean, yeah, that's what I expected as well. I didn't expect
and it does smell good.
Gritty.
The tangerine, I don't really see any difference in appearance. It doesn't even look like it's had an oil finish applied to it.
Well, it wasn't oil, it was juice. It was a juice finish, Caleb.
The Flamin' Hot, which just ruined that piece of wood. Scratches all over it. Did we get anything out of this that's a win?
Not a total win.
I think the lip balm...
Except the lip balm.
I think the lip balm could actually be used...
I mean, I don't
know... As a
know,
wax alternative.
Yeah, I don't know how hard the wax is that you would normally use.
Yeah, I think maybe if you did like a small decorative thing. So I think the lip balm is a viable option.
And that's like the only one.
I think the only winner is the lip balm.
It's definitely not us. We're not the winners. We're big losers here.
We are big losers, I think. I really... I don't know. I think I kind of like the look of the chili powder the best.
If we could make that darker. I feel like you were just like, all my favorite spicy stuff.
There was more of the spice in this. So anyways, I don't know if we learned anything, but I think you could use lip balm in some limited applications on some smaller decorative items. I think you might have some luck experimenting with the chili powder. Maybe even the Louisiana hot sauce, but the rest, I don't think so, especially not the Flamin' Hot. If you have any suggestions for any weird wood stains, let us know and we'll try it for you. If you're too nervous to try it, we'll try it for you.
Yeah,
you can see.
Just think about any time you've just spilt a random household product on your woodworking projects and like, damn, I'm never gonna get that stain out. Leave it in the comments below, and maybe we'll feature it in our Will It Stain 2.
Another stain. We'll do a second installment of the weird wood stains if you enjoy it.
That's even if you like it.
That's if you like it. If you like it and you want to see us try out some other stains, then let us know down below. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. What for, dude?
I can't think of anything witty to say about the algorithm this time.
You can subscribe to this channel too because we have brand new videos out every Friday and Wednesday, so you'll want to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of those.
The algorithm will make Caleb's forehead smaller.
Mm-hmm. Make my forehead smaller and my hair taller. So. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. And we might even do some more weird wood experiments.
We might do weird stuff in general. It's not a follow-up. Can I wave bye?
Yeah.
Bye!